Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Samsung Knox settings for improved device security. Detailed guide step by step clearly. First, ensure your Samsung device is updated to the latest software version. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and select Biometrics and Security. Locate and tap on Samsung Knox. Once in the Knox settings, select Secure folder. Tap on Set up Secure folder to initiate the configuration. Choose your preferred lock type for the secure folder. You can select from options like PIN, password, or biometric authentication. After setting up the lock type, tap Continue to finalize the secure folder setup. Next, return to the Knox main menu and select Knox Manage. If prompted, log in with your Samsung account credentials. Once logged in, you can configure various security policies. To enhance device security, enable features like data encryption and remote management. You can also set restrictions on app usage within Knox. Navigate back to the main Knox menu and select Knox Guard. Enable Knox Guard to protect against unauthorized access. Review the settings for app permissions to restrict access to sensitive apps. Consider configuring Knox Platform for Enterprise if your device is used for work. This platform allows for additional security management features. After configuring your settings, make sure to regularly update your Knox software. Check for updates in the Samsung Knox section under Settings. Establish a routine to review and adjust your security settings periodically. This will help keep your device secure against evolving threats. Finally, encourage all users of the device to follow security best practices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.